If you are searching for a new niche every day, then stop searching for a niche. Because in this video, I am going to share with you a new niche where the competition is very low and the growth opportunities are very high. Before starting the video, first watch this video. First, check the earnings of this channel, or the channel makes more than $20,000 per month according to Social Blade. And this video is going to be a golden niche video for you, just like my previous video. And today in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can generate a script like this using free AI tools and how you can easily generate images using AI as well. And in the end, I will teach you how to edit a video like this. So without wasting time, let's generate our script. For this, you can use either ChatGPT or Google Bard, but I will use ChatGPT here. Then you have to come to ChatGPT and paste this prompt here. You will find the link to this prompt in the description of this video, so you can easily copy it from there. Then you have to write here, "Give me more like this." After that, ChatGPT will create a new script for you in this way. Then you have to copy it and come to Leonardo or Lexica AI. Both are free AI tools for generating images. Then you have to copy the first line from ChatGPT and go to Leonardo AI. From here, you have to paste your copied line and turn on Alchemy. Then you have to select the quantity of your image, how many images you want to generate in one go. I will select 2 from here and generate. In this way, you have to copy all the lines one by one and generate the image from here. Finally, for editing, I will use Canva, so you have to come to Canva and add this template to Canva. The link to this template will also be available in the description of my video. After that, we'll need to make some changes in this template. As you can see here, my channel's logo is already set. So you need to change this logo by adding your channel's logo. For this, you need to click on the plus button and come to the gallery. Add your logo from here and resize it a bit, then paste it into the logo frame. Similarly, add your first image generated in Leonardo here and paste it into this frame. Now, click on Subscribe to Passive Income and come to Edit. Paste your script's first line here and edit all the pages in the same way as we did on the first page. And that's it. Our video editing is complete. Thanks for watching this video until the end. And if this video gets 100 likes, I'll share a high CPM niche on YouTube with you. Until then, watch this video that we just created.